Deflects it in and chases. He checks Wesley. Makes a steal in front. Point! Score! Well, Tyler Johnson made that play. He took out the defenseman. Josh Wesley made the steal. Hurried it in front, and Braden Point has made it 3-1. Center, minute 22 left. Cross the blue line, right circle. Shoot, save made. Rebound, loose in front. Score! Bunko Imama! Well, Vermeen took it to the net. His shot was stopped, but the rebound pinballed around, and Imama, standing at the side of the net, swatted it home to make it 3-2.